Welcome to class. Thank you for filling this break. I really appreciate it. Today, we will be opening two value packs of 2020 Topps Chrome Update. And this will be getting 3 Topps Chrome packs, 4 cards per Topps Chrome pack, and then 2 pink refractors. And then also we'll be opening 2 Topps Chrome 2020 Update hangers. These are the values. My bad, I might have said hangers again. But yeah, so these are the values. And then in this we'll be having, I believe, a couple more packs than the value pack. And also we'll be getting 2 pink wave of these, pink wave refractors. But in this we'll be just getting the 2 regular pinks refractor. But in this we'll be getting the pink wave. 2 of those in each one. And then we'll be opening 2 boxes of Topps Chrome Update Mega Box. And the autos are 1 in 41 boxes, or 41 packs. And then we'll be opening 2 boxes of 2020 Topps Chrome Sapphire Edition. And this will be getting 1 auto and 1 color. And 1 refractor. Alrighty, so that is it. Today, we have just reached 700 members. Thank you very much for helping me reach 700 members. We are exactly at 702 members. Thank you very much. We'll be running the 700 member giveaway as soon as we can. And yeah, so that may meaning next week, this week, tomorrow. Yeah, but it just depends. All right. And today I had 2 games, so that's why we're having the later breaks. Today I had 2 games, won 1 and lost 1, but yeah, it was fun. And yeah, so thank you everybody, and let's get breaking. Alrighty, good luck everybody. And right after this, at 8 p.m. Pacific time, we'll be doing a half case of Inception, 8 boxes. And I'm super excited for that, and also excited for this break too, for the Sapphire. Alright. Okay. So here we go. Right. Okay, here we go. Alrighty. Ooh, nice Jordan right here. Going to the Houston Astros, going to Justin H. Very nice Jordan, rookie debut chrome. Ready. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Start with Starling Marte. Decades Next 2020 Juan Soto. Ian Miller rookie. Mike Moustakas. Philip Dale. Yoshi Tsugo. Tyler Heineman. Sandy Koufax, a numbers game number 32. Greg Speyer. Trent Grisham rookie. Very nice. Nice Trent Grisham. Going to the San Diego Padres. Going to Terry W. Very nice. P. Alonso. Robinson Cano. Jesus Aguilar. Alec Mills. Decades Next 2020. Gleyber Torres. Albert Pujols. Ichiro. Derek Jeter. Pedro Martinez. Yadier Molina. And Johnny Davis. Alrighty. And now we go on to our pink refractors. Pink refractors now. Good luck. We got and we'll be sleeving all of these. We got a Kevin Pillar and a young Carlos Stanton 2016 Home Run Derby. Alrighty, and our last regular pink refractor, and then we'll be going on to our hangers, which have the 2 pink wave. We had a Cole Calhoun and a Nick Solak rookie debut. Very nice. Alrighty. So very nice. Okay, now we'll be going on to our hangers. Good luck, everybody. Alrighty. Count. Packs. These take a minute to open. There we go. Alright, here we go. Alright, good luck, everybody. Ready. Ready. What a sick card. Looks like a refractor. Ready. Go. Ready. Okay. Here we go. Good luck. Start with the Alec Mills, Jared Dyson, Cy Sneed, Eric Maya, Jesus Aguilar, a numbers game, Chipper Joe's number 10, Aristides Aquino, rookie debut. Very nice. Going to the Cincinnati Reds, going to Greg. Nice, Greg. Nick Turkey, Johnny Davis, Decades Next 2020, Fernando Tatis Jr. And we got a rookie debut, Kyle Lewis. Very nice. Going to Seattle Mariners, going to Justin H. Nice. Trout Molina, Howard Pujols, Jesus Tinoco, Brock Holt, Rich Hill, Decades Next 2020, Brendan McKay, Cy Sneed, Eric Maya, Anthony Rizzo, Cameron Maben, Aristides Aquino. Nice, nice. A rookie debut, going to the Reds, going to Greg. Very nice, Greg. Nick Turkey, Clayton Kershaw, a numbers game, rookie Henderson, number 24. Joey Votto, Aaron Judge, home run derby. Nestor Cortez, Ken Griffey Jr. Kyle Lewis, rookie debut. Very nice. Two of those. Going to the Seattle Mariners, going to Justin H. Trout, Jason Kipnis. Decades Next 2020, Kyle Lewis. Nice. Lewis right here. Going to Seattle Mariners, going to Justin H. Ustinoko, Brock Holt, Ichiro, Yordan Alvarez, rookie debut, refractor to 250. Very nice. Yordan Alvarez, rookie debut, refractor to 250. Very nice. Yordan Alvarez. It's going to the Houston Astros, going to Justin H. Nice refractor right here. One of the top rookies in 2020. Refractor, Joey Votto, and a Aaron Judge home run derby. Alrighty, now we'll be going on to our pink wave. Good luck, everybody. And these are the wave. These are not just the regular. Alrighty. And we'll be sleeving both wave 2. So we got a Cesar Hernandez and a Gavin Lux rookie debut. Very nice, Gavin Lux. Going to the Los Angeles Dodgers, going to Scott J. Very nice, Scott. Got a Gavin Lux, pink refractor wave. Got a Davey Grulon and a Domingo Santana. Alrighty, so that is it. Yeah, so now we'll be going on to our mega boxes. Topps Chrome Update mega box, first box. Here we go. Alrighty, here we go. Here we go. Hope we can hit an auto or a refractor. Hi, Adam. And thank you very much for those boxes and also the opening day. That's probably the first time I've actually opened a opening day hobby box, Adam. So thank you very much, Adam. Yeah. So our first card off the deck is going to be a Trent Grisham. So very nice, Trent Grisham. One of the San Diego Padres, going to Terry W. Very nice. Alrighty. You got Philip DL, Mark McGuire, Eric Thames, Gabe Spear, Decades Next 2020 Kyle Lewis. Now we got 2 of these. Got one from our hanger. So very nice. Going to Seattle Mariners. Going to Justin H. Alright, Pete Alonso, Jonas Cespedes, Mark McGuire, Brendan McKay, Gavin Lux, rookie debut. Very nice. This is going to Los Angeles Dodgers, going to Scott J. Nice card right here. Right. Alex Bregman, Bryce Harper. Numbers game, Nolan Ryan, number 34. Mike King, Cesar Hernandez, Mariano Rivera, Jacob deGrom, Anthony Rendon, Tommy Pham, Bryce Harper. Decades Next 2020, Ronald Acuna Jr. and guy Randy Arozarena. Very nice. Randy Arozarena, going to the Tampa Bay Rays, going to Matt T. Very nice, Matt T. Walker, Jared Dyson, Nico Horner, Bo Bichette. Very nice, Bo Bichette. Going to the Toronto Blue Jays, going to Nathan C. Bo Bichette, rookie debut. Very nice, Nathan. And we got a Willie Mayer Flores. Alrighty. Now our second box of Topps Chrome Update. Chrome. All right. Go. Good luck. Ooh, we got an auto. Very nice. Good auto. It's Kyle Lewis right here. Get it, you. Going to the Mariners. It's going to Justin H. Very nice. Alrighty, here we go. Good luck, everybody. We got a Jared Dyson, a numbers game, Derek Jeter number 2, Brock Holt, Jesus Aguilar, Alec Mills, Logan Morrison, Jesus Dinoco, Ichiro, Decades Next 2020, Peter Alonso, Robinson Cano, Edwin Encarnacion, Albert Pujols, Johnny Davis, Yordan Alvarez. Very nice. Going to Houston Astros, going to Justin H. Very nice. Yordan Alvarez, Decades Next 2020. Going to the Astros, going to Justin H. Aaron Judge, Aristides Aquino, going to the Reds, going to Greg. Mariano Rivera, Jacob deGrom, Nick Turkey, Cy Snead, Nico Horner, Joey Votto, Mike Trout. Let's Nico Horner here, and our auto is going to be a Colton Wong. Very nice, Colton Wong auto. Very nice. Going to the St. Louis Cardinals. It's going to Thomas P. And now has gotten traded to the Brewers, I believe. It's gotten traded to the Brewers. Colton Wong, very nice. This will go into the Cardinals, since it says Cardinals on here. So this will go into Thomas P. Very nice, Thomas P. Very nice, Colton Wong. Alrighty. Now it is time for our 2 boxes of Topps Chrome Update Sapphire. And good luck, everybody. We'll be getting 1 auto and 1 parallel. Good luck. Here we go. Great. Good luck, everybody. And we will be sleeving all of these. There's a thick card. There's our parallel. Yes. There's our auto right here. This is our auto. That felt super thick. Auto. Alrighty, here we go. Alright, we'll start off with the Julio Chachin, Sam Haggerty, Alex Reyes, Jesus Aguilar, Greg Garcia, Joey Votto, Kyle Wright, Brock Holt, Cody Bellinger, Kevin Ginkel. Asdrubal Cabrera, David Ortiz, Giancarlo Stanton, Aaron Bummer, Adam Plutko, Alex Bregman, Robinson Chirinos, Brian Johnson, Nick Dini, Chris Bryant, Drew Smiley, Richard Blair, Matt Davidson, Edwin Encarnacion, Sandy Leon, Julio Theron, and our parallel is going to be a Mariano Rivera to 25, 17 of 25. Mariano Rivera, 2013 All-Star Game. Very nice. Going to the New York Yankees. Going to George H. Very, very nice card. Alrighty. We got a Ryan Howard, JT Riddle, Zach Greinke, Zach Wheeler, and we got a Joey Gallo. Very nice. Joey Gallo. Joey Gallo going to the Texas Rangers. Going to Terry W. Very nice. This is the first time I hit Joey Gallo's autograph out of a box, but I have hit his autograph in person, so that was cool. Alrighty, here we go. I think this is our parallel. Yeah, that's our parallel right there. Yeah, we got a auto. Oh, and it's a rookie, so that's what we know about it. Now it's a rookie auto. Alrighty, here we go. Start with the Alex Blandino, Miguel Cabrera, Ryan Howard, Kiri Mella, Wade LeBlanc, Adolis Garcia, David Ortiz, Bryce Wilson, Tracy Thompson, Yoshi Hirano, Alex Bregman, Chase Anderson, Jump on 6, Jerry Rodriguez, Chris Bryant, Kyle Ryan, Frank Schwindel, Dustin Garneau, Edwin Encarnacion, Ty France, Chris Sale, Terrence Gore, Zach Davies, Pedro Strop, Jose Peraza, Matt Scherzer, and a Jake Newberry parallel to 25, 24 of 25, Jake Newberry. A rookie pitcher for the Royals, very nice. One of the Royals, Kansas City Royals, going to Heath. Very nice. Alrighty, for our auto, this is the pack that our auto was in. We got a Jose Martinez, Christian Arroyo, Daniel Hudson, Brad Miller, And we got a Aristides Aquino Sapphire Rookie Auto. Very nice. Very, very nice. Aquino Sapphire Rookie Auto. Going to the Reds. Going to Greg. Very nice, Greg. Very nice, Greg. Nice, very nice card right here. Very, very nice. Going to Greg. Very nice card right there, Greg. Alrighty, so thank you everybody again. Fun break right there, and thank you everybody again. Right now, let's do a quick recap. Alrighty, here we go. We got a Decade to Next 2020 Yordan Alvarez. Two Yordan Alvarez rookie debut Chrome. Yordan Alvarez rookie debut refractor to 250. Randy Arozarena. Bo Bichette rookie debut. 2 Trent Grisham Topps Chrome update. 3 Kyle Lewis rookie debut. 2 Decades Next 2020 Kyle Lewis. Gavin Lux rookie debut. Gavin Lux rookie debut Pink Wave refractor. And then for our numbered cards, we got in autos. We got a Jake Newberry Sapphire to 25. Very nice. Mariano Rivera to 25 as well. Mariano Rivera. And we got a Colton Wong auto from 2020 Topps Chrome Update. And we got a Joey Gallo from 2020 Topps Chrome Update Sapphire. And a Aristides Aquino 2020 Topps Chrome Update Sapphire Rookie Auto. And very nice card right here. Very, very nice. Alrighty, so that is it. Right after this at 8 p.m. Pacific time, come back and join us, because we will be breaking a half case of Inception, 2021 Inception. That will be 8 boxes. So come back. It's going to be a fun break. And also, thank you for helping me reach 700 members. I really appreciate it. We will try to do the giveaway as soon as possible. And yeah. So thank you everybody, and class dismissed. Bye.